Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 square roots and cube roots. In that exercise 6.3 third question. The question is given: find the smallest number by which 8788 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, find the smallest number by which 8788 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So what is I'm going to find what is the smallest number. Okay, now see its solution. Given number is equals to, that is 8788. Okay, resolving 8788 into prime factors. Okay, resolving 8788 into prime factors. Now see Nana, I am using prime factorization method. Okay, we know in prime factorization method we must use only prime numbers. So I'm using first prime number is 2 because of unit place is 8. Clearly 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. అంటే 7లో 6 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 8 అంటే 18. 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. Again I am using 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3లో 2 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 9, that is 19. So 2 8s are 2 9s are 18 వస్తుంది. Then here 1 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 4 అంటే 14. 2 7s are 14. So the next number, ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది? Here unit place 7 ఉంది, so 2 is not possible. Sum of the digits యాడ్ చేద్దాం. డిజిట్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 9 19. అంటే 3 టేబుల్ కూడా పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. 5 table also not possible. I mean 5 is a prime number kada. 5 not applicable here, and 7 also not applicable. So if we take the prime number is 13 apply cheste 13 169 sir, 13 169 sir, we get 2197. Okay, again we can write 13 only, you can apply 13 only. 13 13s are 169. Again 13 1s are 13. Okay, so clearly this is a group. 13 repeats 3 times, but 2 repeats only 2 times. So we can write here 8788 is equals to, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So clearly in perfect cube, in perfect squares లో మనం 2 నెంబర్స్ని ఒక గ్రూప్గా చేస్తాం. బట్ ఇన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబ్లో 3 నెంబర్స్ని 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ని ఒక గ్రూప్గా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో హియర్ 13 ఫార్మ్స్ ఏ గ్రూప్. ఏ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 13 ఫార్మ్స్ ఏ గ్రూప్, బట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 నాట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఇన్ 3. ఇందులో 3 లేవు. సో దట్స్ వై if we multiply 8788 with 2, we get a perfect cube. We get a perfect cubic number. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, సో ఇక్కడ మిస్ అయిపోయిన 2 తోటి మనకి ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్ ద గివెన్ నెంబర్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వీ గెట్ ఏ పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబిక్ నెంబర్. So this is the 2 is the smallest. 2 is the smallest number by to obtain a perfect cube. 8788. Okay. Right, clear. Okay, students. Now the question number is 5. In that the question is given, find the smallest number by which 8640 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, again I am reading carefully. See here, find the smallest number by which 8640 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So by reading this question, you can find out the some basic data. Okay, now what is the logic, what is the data involved in this? Okay, see here, number given number is 8640. Okay, resolving 8640 into prime factors. Okay, so I'm going to find the prime factors of a 8640. Now see here, 8640. So clearly I'm going to use the first prime number is 2 because of the unit place of the given number is 0. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, means 2 4320 are 8640. Again I'm using 2 only because of unit place is 0. Okay, so again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది, 2 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది, డిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 2 అంటే 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, ఈ 3లో 2 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది, డిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 2 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 zeros are 0. Again I am using 2 only, the unit place of the is 0. Here I am using 2 10s are 20, ఈ 21 చూస్తున్నా 2 digits. ఓకే, 2 10s are 20, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 6 అంటే 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, so again I am using 2 only, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0. Again I am using 2 only, prime number. 2 2s are 4, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, 4 అంటే 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, again I am using 2 only because of unit digit is 0. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, and here 1 is there, beside number is 0 అంటే 5, 2 5s are 10 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 2 3s are 6, ఈ 7లో 6 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 0 అంటే 10 ఉంటుంది. సో 2 5s are 10. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ యూనిట్ డిజిట్ వచ్చేసి 5 ఉంది కదా, సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 2s are 10, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటుంది, 5 అంటే 35, 5 7s are 35. Okay, next here 2 is not applicable, 5 also not applicable because of unit digit is 7. So 3 is applicable. Okay, so 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So clearly you observe, children. So we get 8640 is equals to we are getting 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 one time. 5 appears how many times? One time. Okay, now into 3 appears how many times? 3 times. Okay, so now see Nana, we are discussing the problems based on a cubes and cube roots. So ఈ cubes and cube roots లో ఒక గ్రూప్కి వచ్చేసి 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ 2 6 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయింది. సో దట్స్ వై దీన్ని 2 గ్రూప్స్గా ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే 3 2s వచ్చేసి 1 గ్రూప్, అగైన్ 3 2s వచ్చేసి 1 గ్రూప్. ఐ మీన్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 appears 6 times. సో ఈ 2ని 3 times, 2ని 3 times తీసేసుకున్నాం. And 3 also appears how many times? 3 times. But the prime factor 5, the factor 5 does not appears 3 times. Okay now, so అంటే ఇది ఈ గ్రూప్లో లేదు. సో దట్స్ వై if we divide 8640, okay, the quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, according to this question, here 3 appears 2 pairs and like this, but 5 is a single, it not appears 3. That's why if we divide the given number by 5, the quotient is a perfect cube. So let us check it. Adi check cheddam. Okay, 8640 divided by 5. See now, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. ఇక్కడ 8లో 3 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 6 అంటే 36. 5 sevens are 35 వస్తుంది. హియర్ 36లో 35 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 4 అంటే 14. ఓకే, 14 అన్నప్పుడు 5 2s are 10, then 4 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 0. ఓకే, 5 8s are 40 అవుతుంది. సో 5 1s are 5 7 1728 are 8640. So I'm going to find the prime factors of 1728. Then resolving the prime factor of this. See here, using 2 8s are 16. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, 2 అంటే 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again using 2 table, I mean 2 is a prime factor. Prime factor ని అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again I am taking prime number 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, 2 అంటే 12, 2 6 are 12. Again I am using 2 only prime number. 2 10s are 20, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, 6, 2 8s are 16. Next 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 4, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 4 అంటే 14 వస్తుంది. 2 7s are 14. Next 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So clearly we get 3 appears how many times? 2 appears 2 groups. I mean 1728 is equals to, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay now students, we get like this. మనకి ఎలా వచ్చింది? 2 వచ్చేసి appears 6 times, but as per problem I take a 3 factors once and 3 factors once, and 3 also I taken it as a 3 factors once. So ఈ group నుంచి we can consider a single number. In this group I am considering 1 factor, in this group I am considering a 1 factor, in this group I am considering a 1 factor. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are what, Nana? 12. So the cube root of what is the symbol, Nana? The cube root of 1728 is equals to what, Nana? 12. Or we can take it as a 1728 is equals to 12 whole cube. Is it clear, students? So This is the required answer for the question. Okay, thank you.